Hello everyone. Today I'm going to ask one question. My question is, can you speak in English or can you write in English without my basic structure? My answer is you can't. You can't speak or you can't write in English without my basic structure. This is my challenge to you. Because if you want to speak in English, if you want to write in English, you have to know the tense. You have to know the voice. You have to know the narration or speech. You have to know the simple, complex compound. So in the world, you cannot get any single sentence out of my structure, basic structure. So guys, it's a whole English here. This is my challenge to you. Just you can test what I'm telling is right or wrong. You can test. So let's go on today's main topics. Today's main topic is basic English for 10. That means the future continuous tense. Active voice structure, subject shall be, will be, V1 plus ing plus object. Example, I shall be telling you something. আমি shall be telling, বলতে থাকবো তোমাকে কিছু. Passive voice structure, subject shall be being, will be being, B3 by plus object. Example, you shall be being told something by me. তোমাকে shall be being told, বলা হইতে থাকবে কিছু আমার দ্বারা. Negative structure, subject shall not, will not, plus be, plus B1, plus ing, plus object. Example, I shall not be telling you something. Interrogative structure, shall, will, plus subject, plus be, plus B1, plus ing, plus object, plus question mark. Example, shall I be telling you something? Negative interrogative structure, shan't, won't, plus subset, plus be, plus B1, plus ing, plus object, plus question mark. Example, shan't I be telling you something? Tag, I shall be telling you something. Shan't I? Direct narration or direct speech. He said to her, I shall be telling you something. Indirect narration or indirect speech. He told her that he would be telling her something. This action rules shall will be should, will be ought. Simple sentence. I shall be telling you something. Complex sentence. It will be I who shall be telling you something. Compound sentence. It will be I and I shall be telling you something. That's all. Stay well.